Here we will discuss about the classification of acids and bases. So first is on the basis of source of acids. So on this basis there are two type of acids. First one is the organic acid and the next one is the inorganic acids. So organic acid, as the name indicate, are those acids which are derived from plants like citric acid, acetic acid, and inorganic acids are those which are derived from mineral, and it is also known as mineral acids like HCl, H2SO4 means sulfuric acid, and others also. Now the second is on the basis of molecular composition of acids. So on this basis two type of acids are there, hydroacids and oxyacids. So hydroacids are those acids which contain hydrogen and non-metallic elements other than oxygen. So these type of acids will always contain hydrogen and any non-metallic element, but that should not be oxygen. Okay, so example are HCl, HBr, etc. And oxyacids, as the name indicate, these are the acids which contain hydrogen or any other element and oxygen also. So example is sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, and nitric acid, that is HNO3. Now the next type is based on the strength of acids and bases. So on the strength of any acid depends upon the concentration of hydronium ion present in it. Okay, so the strength of any acid depends on the concentration of hydronium ion, how much amount of hydronium ion are present in that particular acid. So on that basis two type of acids are there. First is the strong acid and next one is the weak acid. So what are a strong acid? That dissociates completely in the aqueous solution. It will completely dissociate and it will always produces a high concentration of hydrogen or hydronium ions. See, this is an example. When this nitric acid, it will dissolve in water, it will yields hydronium ion in high concentration, and this one is NO3 negative. Other examples are sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and HCl, and there are other acids which are strong. Okay, now next one is the weak acid. So weak acid, it will dissociate partially, means not completely, only half. Okay, and it will always produces a low concentration of hydrogen ion. Example is given of CH3COOH, that is acetic acid. It will gives a less concentration of hydrogen ion. Some other example is carbonic acid. Okay, now about bases. The strength of any base is depend upon the concentration of hydroxyl or hydroxide ion. So on this basis two types are there, strong alkali and weak alkali. So strong alkali are those which will dissociate completely in any aqueous solution, or it will always produces a high concentration of hydroxide ions. See, this is a base alkali that is soluble in water, sodium hydroxide. It will yields Na positive and OH negative, that is a hydroxide ion. Other example are potassium hydroxide, that is KOH. Okay, then weak alkali are those which dissociate partially in any aqueous solution, or it will always produces a low concentration of hydroxide ion. This example is of ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH. It will give NH4 positive and OH negative.